First off, hello, welcome back to my channel. Before I start ranting, right, just, celebrating me because I'm gonna be a mommy. Why are you playing with my head like this? Like, give me some fucking food. 0 out of 10, no stars.
I'll see you in an hour.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We just arrived at the Piedmont downtown for our birthing class today. I'm so excited. Got some Starbucks. So yeah. So after we do the birthing class, I need to get us registered for the CPR class. And then we'll be ready to go. So I'm about to try and eat before we go in.
I think we should rule out him for now, 'cause we're falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. You're just doing that to
Early labor can last 6 to 12 or more hours, active labor 3 to 5 hours, and transition labor 30 minutes to 2 hours. Early labor, our contractions are kind of, they're going from like 30 minutes apart all the way down to 5 minutes apart. And they're usually less than a minute in duration.
This animation shows the changing cervix. During early labor, the cervix dilates from 0 to 6 centimeters and begins to thin. Nakaya needs a little more help to get her labor started, so she is now given the IV drug Pitocin.
passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my
First off, hello, welcome back to my channel. Before I start ranting, we went to Truth. We have his mom, his dad, his brother, my husband, my grandmother, and I. Tell me why we just waited 3 hours. 3 hours. And all we got was a biscuit. They were out of all of the food. They're out of all of the drinks. Like, of course not for me, but they wanted mimosas. Everything was out. I'm like yelling, so I'm annoyed. We basically didn't eat. We waited 3 hours. So we're having to find another reservation. And I'm sure as you guys know, everything probably booked, but look, y'all, look at my hair. Like, I have to show y'all a picture. I'll try to insert a clip or something of me at the beginning of the day. I need to learn to start taking pictures in this curly state at the beginning of the day. By now, it just looks like puff and frizz, frizz and puff, no curl. And I put so much gel in my hair. If y'all have any products y'all would recommend, help your girl out. But this is not cute. Like, be fucking for real. So yeah, help me out with the natural hair. I put so much gel. I spent so much time last night on my hair just for it to be freaking puffy. All right, guys. I picked my car up from Turo. Not from Turo, but you know Turo, you know how that works. So I just got back in my car. We're on our way home. And today was an amazing day. We ended up having to go to Juicy Crab because I think I told y'all about what happened at the restaurant we were supposed to go to. It was so good. I had so much fun and really enjoyed, being around everyone. This is my first Mother's Day. So I felt like, I don't know, this Mother's Day, of course, just hit different because it's like I'm being celebrated because I'm the child, I'm so used to celebrating other people. I got tons of, Happy Mother's Day texts. Ooh, what's going on right here? And everything, and everybody just, celebrating me because I'm gonna be a mommy. So yeah, today was very special for me. My social media, of course, ran out, so I was ready to, you know, get home. Oh, my husband's so cute and overprotective of me. He was overprotective of me before, but now that I'm pregnant, it's like so cute. He went through the light and I didn't make the light. So when I finally went through the light, I see like he's pulled over until I got behind him again and then kept going. Yeah, we're on our way home. Drop my grandmother off at home. I can't wait to get home, you guys. Like I was saying, like how my social media, I'll be good for like an hour or two and then it's like I need to get up out of here. I don't want to talk no more. And I'll be feeling bad because we're around people and I know they'd be like, what just happened? Because I'll be all spunky and happy. But no, today was just a long day. With that 2-hour wait, it felt like I went to work. Like, and it's not just me, everybody else is saying it too. We're just like tired, we're drained. Like they really played with our emotions with getting the food, making it seem like we're about to eat. And it's like, I'm pregnant. I can't go long periods of time, 2+ hours without eating, and y'all keep making it seem like we're about to eat. And it was just, it's like an emotional roller coaster. Why are you playing with my head like this? Like, give me some fucking food. By the time we left, I was pissed. The owner came out and everything and had this excuse, and it was like, I was nice to her because I'm not gonna be rude, but my family knows, like, I was really pissed. I was so ready to go like a long time ago. They kept trying to like want to stick it out and wait and see. I was ready to go. I was ready to go 30 minutes in once I realized it was gonna be a wait. Because why y'all have my husband come at 9 a.m. to set the reservation? Like, y'all were out of most of the food, y'all were out of the mimosas, but y'all let another table have mimosas. And it was just a fucking mess. Like, if y'all just don't have y'all food, y'all don't have the staff, y'all don't have the capacity, just say that. Don't make us sit here and just wait. Just be waiting for nothing. Like, I was so pissed by the time we left, because like we could have just easily gone somewhere else. And then it's on Mother's Day, we kept bragging about this place. The food is so good, but the customer service and the staff and just how everything is ran, terrible. Like 0 out of 10, no stars. So I'm almost home, so talk to you guys later. I'm putting all of our holiday stuff. Christmas and Thanksgiving is going in here. Got all of our Thanksgiving things. Christmas, like the stockings, placemats. Oh, these are Thanksgiving placemats. Put that all in here. And yeah, this is all gonna be our Christmas box. Fits perfectly. So I'm gonna get some labels so I can keep everything organized. And this will go in. I'm gonna put labels on it so everything will be organized. took the dresser in the dining room, the new gray one, and I emptied it, and now I need to go through these drawers and see what needs to be emptied and what needs to be thrown away. So I'm sure a lot of this needs to be thrown away. So yeah, a lot to do.